Iphini likamengameli weANC uDavid Mabuza liseTshwane ukuyozwa izikhalo ngokuqokwa kamakhansela azomela iqembu kulomkhandlu. uMabuza uphelekezelwa ngamanye amalungu esigungu esiphezulu seANC kuwo kukhona umgcini mafa weqembu uPaul Mashatile kanye nopanyaza lisufi. USamkele Maseko uxoxisane namalungu eqembu ngaphambi komhlangano ozobanjelwa eholweni iSt George's.
Baba ngicela ukudluke ngicela ufake imask ngicela ukudluke la eceleni kwethu siyacela baba ngicela ufake imask kahle. Why won't you vote? You had a similar situation in 2016 when you said no Sputla, no vote when Diza was announced as a mayoral candidate. If you say you're not going to vote, how are you going to win this metro if you don't vote?
No, actually, I am going to vote for change. If the change that we voted for, which was izikhalo, is not going to be implemented, we are going to vote for change. ANC lost Tshwane because of their arrogance. They don't talk to us, they just change things as they please. They don't talk to community. We don't even understand the process that they used to remove the councillor. So if they won't change their arrogance, then they will see on the 1st of November. That's what we're going to do. We have the power given by the Constitution, which is the power to vote and change the what if you don't like what's happening. So that's what we're going to do. If our problem is not solved by the 1st of November, the president cannot say we will fix everything after the 1st of November. So how are we going to vote for someone that we did not choose?
Sir, please, can you move? You don't have a mask. Please move. Go. Chief, go.
You know, Samkelo, the problem that we have, I think my brother, maybe he's scared to outline, but the problem that we have is the fact that there's a lady called Unelisiwe. In most cases, those lists, they were changed. They were changed at the last minute because we come from a branch whereby a community have voted collectively for their preferred candidate. But to our surprise, at the 11th hour, when we wake up, everything was changed. So we just want answers as to what happened. But Unelisiwe, she is the cause of this whole thing. And then if ever you people are listening at home, and uDavid, now President, please, you must call Unelisiwe into order. I come from Ward 36 and we're facing the very same challenges. But then, and then our councillor took forth, and then, you know, to our surprise, two councillors, the legitimate councillor took a picture, and then to our surprise, the bogus councillor candidate also took a picture. But and then the community is confused. We can't go out to campaign first and foremost because we don't even know what's happening ourselves. One. Number two, what are we going to tell our people? Because we want change, and the change must start with us. We are the young people. These old geezers, they must ship out because their time has come. They must go sit in their ranches somewhere because, truth be told, we need young, fresh leaders that will take the ANC forward.